Welcome back to my YouTube stock analysis. Now, here is the thing, when you are investing in a financial market, first you must define your goal. You must define your goal. Either you want to enter the market for the short gain or you want to enter the market for the long gain. That is the short term goal and the long term goal. And either one that you choose, there are stocks and companies that satisfy the need for short or long-term goals. And these stocks, they varies from one company or one industry or one sector to another. So one of them I want to analyze for your long-term goal, especially if you want to invest for like 2 years term, 3 years, and if you invest for this on this company for 5 years, boom, you are going to make a good fortune. Now, one of them is say SCHD. Now it's sitting at $25.43, and then let me check 5 days. 5 days trade, it was doing 4.5%, and then 1 month it has been on minus 8%, and 6 months down the line was minus 10%. Yes, 1 year to show you 0.17%. So this is a buy zone. This is a buy zone. At this moment, this stock is at the support level, what we call support level, the buying option. Yes, and you are investing or you are buying this particular stock, you buy more of it and leave it for 2, 3 to 5 years. If you allow it for 5 years, boom, you are going to make a good fortune. And you can see the dividend stock equity that you can get. So that is that. Okay, let me just check the market cap because I don't invest in any particular company without checking the market cap. If the market cap is not visible, you need to also wait. Once the market open, you see the market cap is not showing here because of it's an ETF stock. Most ETF stock don't show the market cap because it's a collection of pool of stocks. You understand, not just one particular stock. So it's a collection of pool of stock. And then another stock that you also consider is the SQQQ. It's also an ETF stock that you can buy. And then yes, over 5 weeks it has been down minus 33%. That is a buying zone. It's a buying zone for you to get into the market. You can see it has actually done pretty good. You can see even the market cap will not show. Like I said, these are ETF stock that wouldn't show you the market cap because it's a collection of different stock put together to form a particular stock. So guys, if you want to buy, these are the stock that you need to buy. So for the short-term goals, I will just pick a few of them. One of them is on my top list. My top list stocks to buy now is Netflix. Yes, Netflix. There are stock. Why you buy most of all the stock is that you with your common sense and with the activity of human existence, you check what are those things that people will always fall back to, people will always want to consume or have access to. One of them is, people will always retire home after work, they get to home. And they want to look at their screen, they want to see one or two activities, movies, and all that. So, Netflix is one of those companies that people cannot do without. Even when the market is down, there is always a tendency to consumption, and that is why it's a unique company to invest in. And I will just check, for the 5 days trade, it has done $105. That is 12% plus 12%. 1 month down the line, it has done 6%. And 6 months, you can see 38%. That is in 6 months, Netflix has done $270 $270. At the point it was 750 53, and then 1 year it has done 60%. This is whooping. And like I said, this Netflix is going to touch $1,000. You can see yesterday it touched 992, close to 1,000, and it must hit 1,000 and above. The earnings tomorrow. They are going to be announcing their earnings tomorrow. And this company is sitting at $417 billion market cap. That is awesome. So try as much as possible to get any of this stock. If you want to trade on short term, I normally trade Netflix on short term. Yesterday it was trading around 933, and now it is 976. Imagine how much you would have made in between. And today I also expect it to hit back to 999 to 1,000. Another stock that I will also advise that you put into your radar is SPY. SPY is also another ETF that is 500 S&P 500, and it's doing amazingly well. 5 days it has done $41. $41 is 8%, and 1 month has been down, 6 months been down, and 1 year it has also done pretty good. And this is the buying zone. It is at the buying zone with the support level. So guys, everyone, check your portfolio, know what you are reviewing, know the one that you are buying, and also follow. Make sure you are in my mentorship class. Make sure you're in my mentorship class. You need to understand, you need to learn the basics, the fundamentals of this company. So if you are making money, drop it in the comment section. Let me know those who are making money and those who need support, who need my help to be able to move forward. See you in my next video.